need to clamp this in the chuck, in this 3-jaw chuck, and I'm wondering how you do it so that you don't have it cocky wobbled. You know, it's in there like, get my thumbs up, my fingers out of the way, it's in there like that or some other way. I screwed around with it, and I was using a thicker piece earlier, and I got that just fine. But this one is only 1/8 of an inch thick, and it's proved a challenge. So what I came up with is make sure your tool post is parallel to the chuck face. Always, I've only done it twice. Make it off parallel so I can tell when I can see it move. I know I'm hitting the tool holder instead of something else on the carriage. So, okay, so now it's parallel. So I'll lock it there. I bet everybody does it this way, I just don't know it. And I'll put my workpiece in the chuck and run the cross feed in past the way in there. And then I'll bring the get my fingers completely out of the way. Bring the carriage in till, oops, my screw is hidden, so I'll have to bring it up. Or maybe just turn the chuck a little bit. There. Okay, bring the carriage in till you get it where the piece, get the carriage at the point where where the tool holder would stop the piece when you push it out like that. Okay, now that piece is perpendicular to the spindle bore, and it's sticking out a little too far, so I'll move the carriage in a little bit. And now it's time to clamp the workpiece in the chuck thusly. Move my carriage out of the way. And it's ready to do whatever I want to do to it. In my case, I'm going to face it a little bit better than I had it faced a while ago.